So this is the new WindAffector component. So I've got here a proximity trigger. I'm going to add the WindAffector component. You can basically set a direction for the wind. It's applied as an acceleration by default. So just remember that if you're doing it in Y, you have to counteract gravity. So let's say something like 60 meters a second, 60 units a second per second. That's basically all you need to do. And we'll see that our character is now affected by this force. You can also set it to fade with distance. So basically it means the force is reduced based on your distance from the center of the trigger. You can instantly set a velocity, probably more useful for things like a knockback. So now I've got a thing that pushes me back when I run into it. If you don't want the circular shape of a proximity trigger, it works with any other trigger type as well. So we could make a long, thin trigger area here. And then if we go into there, we'll launch up. You can even do crazy things like use it with a one-way trigger. Which means it will only trigger if you move through from a certain direction. So if I run through from this way, I'll get a boost. If I run through from this way, I won't. Yeah, so that's the basic idea, WindAffector. It's also really simple code, so it'd be quite easy to change it to have your own effects. It's quite a good reference sample with just 20 or 30 lines of code.